Now we are going to start the chapter Heat. As you all know, heat is a form of energy. When work is done, energy is used and heat is produced. When we rub our palms against each other, they become very warm and hot. The energy required for doing this work comes from the food we eat. Food has stored chemical energy which is converted into muscular energy by our body. When coal, wood, petrol or kerosene are burnt, heat accompanied by light is produced. So we can say that chemical energy stored in fuel gets converted into heat and the light energy. Now we are going to discuss about two types of thermometer which are used to measure temperature. One is clinical thermometer, other is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer which you are using in a daily life, which is used to measure temperature when we are not well or when we are ill. Laboratory thermometer is the one which is used in laboratories to measure the temperature of different chemical experiments. Now let's study the difference between two. Clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the body temperature. The range of clinical thermometer is about 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It has a kink in it. Laboratory thermometer is used in laboratories for scientific purpose. The range is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It has no kink. Now we are going to discuss how to use clinical thermometer at home carefully. That means precautions to be taken while using clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution, or we can use cold water. Ensure that before using, the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer, keeping the level of mercury level along the line of the sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hit against some hard object, it can break. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Now I am going to tell precautions to be taken while reading laboratory thermometer. It should be kept upright, not tilted. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container.